Go on, man. Listen, pray for win, man. Pray for win.
The people that said Arsenal were not in a title race, where are you guys now? I can't see you guys in the comments. 2 points behind Liverpool with 18 games left. We are so in the title race. Top 3 minimum. Arsenal, Liverpool and Man City are going to be chasing for the title race. Villa, I'm sorry, you're going to fall off, okay? Arsenal 5, Crystal Palace 0. I said to you guys last night that we're going to win the game minimum 4-0. I feel sorry for the people. That break that we just had in Dubai, I feel sorry for rival fans because...
You just said top 3 minimum, and now you're saying you feel sorry for rival fans. So you just said we're not going to win the league, we're going to get top 3, but I feel sorry for rival fans off of beating Crystal Palace. What is this filho da puta talking about? What is he talking about, bro? What is he talking about? A chatting rubbish once again, talking nonsense, bro. What is he chatting about? Bro, I'm so sick and tired of this filho da puta, bro. Oh my days, chatting rubbish. You don't really believe in the team. You wouldn't say top 3. You would have said we're winning the league. Rivals, be scared. Be scared of what? What have we done? What have we done for rivals to be scared? What are we, bruv? I'm so done with the over-gassing, bro. It's actually this, bro. What is Mr. Bruv? This is another black Mr. Bean, the black flipping Homer Simpson. What are you chatting about? After 1 win, have we got a striker in? Have we got our midfield? Nobody turned up. Are we buying a midfielder? Have we got defensive options? Because apparently we bottled it because we didn't have Saliba. What happens if Saliba's injured? What's happening if Saka keeps dropping stinkers? What is this filho da puta talking about? A falada toa de novo, talking merda, bro. My day.
Now we're fully fit. We are re-energized. We are back. And we're going to bop every team now. Most of our players are back to full fitness. Martinelli, where's the haters at? 2 goals in 2 minutes. Where are the haters? This guy got 6 Premier League goals. Trossard scored again. We are back. Emil Smith Rowe back on the pitch. We just need Timber, Tomiyasu, Partey to come back. And we've got a fully fit team. I can't wait for the rest of the part of the season. 2 points behind Liverpool. 18 games left. Still in the last 16 of the Champions League. Why are some fans negative? Because all I see is positive. Here's a message.
All you see is positive. Exactly why you couldn't see when we lost games. The fact that we needed a striker. The fact that we need signings and we got no money. Filho da puta. What are you talking about? Standing there looking like the Somali Craig David, bro. With your hairline all the way back there. What are you chatting about? What are you talking about? All positives. We are back if we have a fully fit squad. A fully fit squad still doesn't mean that we've got the players necessary to win the league. A fully fit squad is the exact same squad we had last season, which meant we bottled it. What are we talking about? What is the difference between a fully fit side this season to a fully fit side last season if we still don't have a striker, we still don't have certain players in certain key areas, and we're playing worse football? What is fixed? Nothing's fixed. Just like your hairline. You know what I'm saying? I'm sick and tired of this guy, bro. Looking at the Craig David from Bow Selector. What is this filho da puta talking about? Do you know what I'm saying? The Bow Selector East African version of Craig David talking absolute bukaria. What are you chatting about? What is fixed? Because we're still in the Champions League. Because we're still in the Champions League. We weren't even able to beat Fulham. What are you chatting about? You know what I'm saying? This guy talking rubbish. You know what I mean? Talking rubbish once again. Tô cansado dessa pucaria, bro. I'm telling you. Now I'm moving on. I ain't got no more talk. I ain't got that, bruv. Whatever, man. Whatever.
Yeah, fire.
It was fire.
Bro, come on. It was fantastic, man. Do you know what? Listen, we won the game, but people came out again and start complaining. Why? What's happening? What's happening to Arsenal fans, man? Let's